Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Bigfoot Hunting Games is probably one of the most thrilling experiences in gaming, where you step into the shoes of a hunter, tracking the elusive Bigfoot through dense forests and treacherous terrains. These games offer a unique blend of suspense, strategy, and the thrill of the chase, making you question what's real and what's just a legend. Number 5. NBA 2K22, Nintendo Switch. Experience the entire basketball universe with this game. You can play in real NBA and WNBA environments with authentic teams and players. Create your ultimate team in My Team. It features today's stars and yesterday's legends, allowing you to build a team of your dreams. Live out your pro journey in My Career. Experience your personal rise to the NBA and become a basketball legend. Flex your management skills in My GM and My League. Become a powerful executive and manage your team to victory. This game puts the entire basketball universe in your hands. It's the ultimate basketball experience. What we like. This game brings the entire basketball world to your fingertips. You can play in real NBA environments with authentic teams and players. If you are a basketball fan looking for a comprehensive and engaging experience, this is the game for you. What people say. He has a Nintendo Switch and out of all the games this is the only one he wants to play. He plays this game all day every day. It came with the game card in its case, so happy, first download will take more than 3 hours before you can play. Number 4. WingHome Solar Panel Charger Kit. This solar panel is designed to work with WingHome trail cameras and many other outdoor security cameras. It supports both 6V and 12V devices, offering a versatile power solution. With the included plugs, it's easy to connect and get started. Harness the power of the sun to keep your devices running all season long. This solar panel provides clean, emission-free electricity, ensuring your camera stays charged. It's a reliable and sustainable power source. Say goodbye to constantly buying batteries. This solar panel eliminates the need for frequent battery replacements, saving you money over time. It's a cost-effective solution for powering your outdoor accessories. Setting up this solar panel is quick and simple. With the included mounting kit and pre-drilled holes, you can have it installed in under 5 minutes. It's designed for fast and secure mounting. The package includes everything you need to get started: the solar panel, mounting bracket, DC charger, multiple cables, and an installation kit. Everything is ready to go right out of the box, making setup a breeze. What we like. This solar panel keeps your devices charged using sunlight. It's compatible with various outdoor cameras, eliminating the need for constant battery replacements. If you're looking for a cost-effective and eco-friendly power solution for your trail cameras, consider this. What people say. I installed this solar panel on a trail cellular camera and it has kept my camera at 100% charge for over 2 months. It comes with a great mounting bracket and all the necessary cords to hook it up to about any 6V or 12V device. These panels are so much better. No issues and they stay 100% charged even when sun doesn't shine all day. Number 3. Monster Hunter Rise, Nintendo Switch. Experience the new wire bug mechanic. This allows for wire-based grappling, providing new traversal and aerial attack options. It's a game changer. Encounter the menacing Magnamalo and other new monsters. You'll also face the shape-shifting Axum and the amphibious Tetranodon. Prepare for the hunt. Meet your new hunting partners, the Palamutes. You can personalize them and ride across the terrain. They provide all new traveling and attack options. Discover the secrets behind the puzzling Rampage events. The story mode will task aspiring hunters with uncovering the mysteries that threaten Camera Village. Play solo or join up to 3 other hunters in co-op play. The Nintendo Switch system allows for hunting anywhere, anytime, and with anyone. Enjoy the adventure. What we like. This game introduces the innovative wire bug mechanic for dynamic traversal and combat. You'll encounter new monsters and have customizable hunting partners. If you enjoy action-packed adventures with unique gameplay mechanics, this game is a must-try. What people say. Monster Hunter Rise builds on the formula established by Monster Hunter World, but it introduces exciting new mechanics that make it feel fresh and innovative. The wire bug is a game changer. It allows for incredible mobility, making it easier to scale walls, dodge attacks, and even use special moves during combat. The Palamute, a dog-like companion, is another fantastic addition. Not only can you ride it to travel quickly across the map, but it also helps in combat, providing both offensive and defensive support. Number 2. Sidetracks, 40 True Stories of Hunting and Fishing. This book takes you on a journey through the wilderness. It shares real-life experiences of hunting and fishing adventures. Explore the hidden gems and untouched locations. These stories reveal the beauty of nature and the excitement of the outdoors. Inside, you'll find 40 captivating tales. Each story offers a unique perspective on the challenges and rewards of the outdoor life. It's a collection of authentic narratives. The book brings you closer to the heart of the wilderness, sharing the passion of those who seek adventure. Get ready to be inspired by the courage and determination. It is a must-read for anyone who loves the outdoors. What we like. This book offers 40 true stories of hunting and fishing. It focuses on adventures off the beaten path, providing engaging narratives. If you love reading about outdoor adventures and unique experiences, this book will be a great choice. What people say. The stories are entertaining, and they end with a bonus, a moral, or note, or special learning quip. They hunt in some beautiful remote places that come alive on the page with descriptive writing. His stories ring true and brought back some wonderful memories of my own. Number 1. Boss Hang-on-Person Deer Hunting Tree Stand. Want to get closer to the big game? This stand is designed to hang on the tree, helping you stay hidden from deer and other animals. It provides an exciting hunting experience. This lightweight stand is easy to carry and set up. Its compact design makes it convenient to transport, so you can easily move it to your favorite hunting spots. The FlexTech seat is extra supportive and comfortable. You can flip it back to use the full platform, and it's designed to fit the natural shape of your legs. Enjoy plenty of room with the wide platform, measuring 25 inches by 34 inches. It gives you space to move around and manage your hunting gear comfortably. This stand is designed for trees with a diameter of at least 9 inches. It uses quiet straps to eliminate metal-on-metal contact, ensuring noise-free operation during setup. What we like. This tree stand is designed for stealth, helping you remain unseen by deer. It's portable and features a supportive seat for comfort. If you prioritize stealth and comfort in your hunting setup, this stand is perfect for you. What people say. The platform is ginormous, as well as the seat. The seat is extremely comfortable without having to buy a foam pad. Stand went together very quickly. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.